am, the sun drained to pure white, cold city all washed out. And I hope the snow won't ever cease, just let it slowly douse to the heat. Tried to touch me now, tried to reach me. I abide by myself and I'm breathing. I dream of nothing but sweetness. I dream of nothing but sweetness. So still, so cold. I close my eyes and I let go. I float, oh I float, I give in to the great cold. Come on, the great cold. She carries the cold through the streets, a white veil over piles of debris. It's a soothing balm off the violence, nestling in the cracks of his silence. I don't think the snow will ever cease, just let it slowly douse the heat. They can't touch me now, they can't reach me. I abide by myself and I'm breathing. I dream of nothing but sweetness. I dream of nothing but sweetness. I really think the snow will never cease, just let it slowly douse the heat. A blinding glow where the sun used to be, a blinding glow where the sun used to be. Oh, please let the snowing never cease, please let the snowing never cease. So cold, so cold. I close my eyes and I let go. I float, oh I float, I get absorbed by the great cold.